Hey guys, welcome back. This is Nisha and in this video I have come up with my Nykaa haul. Last month Nykaa was running its hot pink sale and I love shopping from Nykaa, so even I have picked up some of the products. So here are my parcels. So some are new products to me and some are just the backups, so I am going to share all those with you. Before we jump into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And now without further ado, let's jump into the video and let's begin. So for my first product I have the new Neutrogena Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser, and this is a product which is completely new to me and I haven't tried this yet. I have heard a lot about Neutrogena face washes, so I thought of trying it out this time, and they said it removes completely 100% of dirt from your skin and retains the original moisture of your skin. So let me try it out and I'll let you know about this product in my Instagram review. Let's hope this is going to be a good product to me. Next, again I have a face wash. Guys, you see such a beautiful packaging this is. So guys, this is the face wash from NIVEA. It is the NIVEA Milk Delight face wash and it's for sensitive skin, and I just saw the packaging and I love the packaging. The lookout is so beautiful, you guys, that I just thought of picking up this product. And yes, I use many other products from NIVEA, so I really think this is going to be a good product for my skin. So let's try it out and again I'll be reviewing on my Instagram. So the next product that I'm going to review is from Veet Ready to Use Full Body Waxing Kit, and this is my backup, you guys. I already use it and it is an amazing product. I had used it during the lockdowns when I couldn't travel to the salon for my waxing, and this product really helped me with my waxing during the lockdowns and it really gave me good results. So again I bought one backup for myself. It has really a very delight aroma, very soothing smell, and also it is a very handy product if you are the person who wants to wax at home. You can really go for this product and check out once. So this is recommended from my side. For my next product I have the Kaya Replenishing Night Cream, and I purchased this product because I already use the brightening range from Kaya. I use the day cream, the night cream, and also the daily cleanser from Kaya, and I really love those products and I really wanted to try out this cream since a while, and I couldn't purchase it for some or the other reason because sometimes I have some backups, sometimes and this was out of stock. So I just stocked this up during the Nykaa sale and here is the packaging. So I hope this is going to work great for me and I hope I will be loving this product too, and if I really like this product I'll again review it on my Instagram. Guys, I usually keep on posting mini posts or mini reviews or little blogs on the products which I use personally and I like them, and then I like to share with you all on my Instagram. So if you want to check out about some product, please go to my Instagram page, follow me out there, and the link to which is given right below in the description box. Do check it out. And next product again I have from Kaya. It is the Kaya Lighten and Smooth Under Eye Gel, and since I told you I have used Kaya's products, so I really love it. It suits my skin very well, so I wanted to try this product too. So I purchased it and I'll also be trying this out and review it later on. My next product is from the Beauty Co, and that is a tea tree essential oil. And guys, I have been using tea tree oil since a while. It's been 2 years minimum that I have been using tea tree oil, and this oil really works as magic when I have some frequent breakouts or pimples, and it really works very well on my pimples, on my breakouts, so I always keep it in stock. So this is a backup again, and with this I got the Beauty Co Glow Mask Peel Off Active Charcoal Glitter Mask, and I think this is a 20 to 30 grams of product, and I haven't tried it yet ever, so this time I'm going to try it out. I think this is going to go for me at least 2 to 3 times, so I'm definitely going to try this and see how does it come out. Next is a Luxe product. It is the Laneige Lip Slipping Mask in Berry. I have heard lot about this. I really wanted to purchase it, but since I have so many backups for my lip products, I could not purchase it. But during the sale, I saw this product was on sale and I really couldn't wait, so I just picked it out. And here's the packaging. It's a cute little packaging, and we also get a lip applicator. It's cute little applicator, and this product is also highly reviewed by my favorite bloggers, so I really wanted my hands on it and therefore I got it. Now coming up to my makeup, it's a Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession Palette. I just picked this up. It was on a huge discount, and I also love the Obsession palettes from Huda Beauty, and I really love Huda Beauty's palette. I keep on collecting Huda's palette because I love their pigmentations, I love their colors. I'm really a big fan of Huda eyeshadows. So here are the beautiful shades. So these are the beautiful shades from the palette, and I'm not going to swatch it right now. I'll put on the swatches of this as well as review of this on my Instagram. Do check it out. I already own one Emerald Obsession palette, and therefore I thought of collecting this too this time. And I really love the shades it has. These are super pigmented and these are just wonderful shades to go for. Now the next product which I'm going to show you is from my favorite brand, which is MAC. It's an eyeshadow palette, and here's it. This palette is called Burgundy x 9, and I usually love MAC products, so I keep on buying MAC stuff, and this is it. And I didn't have this palette, so I just want to pick this up. Such beautiful shade it has. See, I'm definitely going to create a good eye look, and yeah, I can create just one brand tutorial for you all using MAC products. So I'll definitely try to put that up in my next video. So I'll just swatch some of the shades for you. Wow, what a pigment. See this, guys? It has crazy pigments, and these were just matte shades. I'll just swatch one or two shimmery shades for you all. And here's this highlighting kind of shade. I don't think camera is able to catch this. Oh wow, again a beautiful shade. Such a beautiful burgundy shimmer. So guys, I just love this palette. The next product which I have is again from MAC. It is my concealer. It is a Studio Finished Concealer SPF 35 in the shade NC25. And guys, this is the backup. I already have one which is just about to complete. So I just thought of purchasing this. It's my skin tone, and I really love this concealer. It really has such a camouflage covering for your dark circles, for your skin spots, blemishes. It's really a wonderful product to have in your vanity. I love this product, and so I just picked it up. And then after purchasing these two stuff from MAC, I got two freebies. One of it is MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade To Matte with Love. Here's it. It's an amazing pink shade, and I really love this shade, so I just picked this shade from the option. And next I have this cute little mini Fix Plus, which we can just drop it in our purse and move on. Wow, I just love using this, you know. This is one of my favorite MAC product again. So that was it for my haul. That was for my shopping that I shared with you, and the products which I haven't tried are going to be reviewed by me on my Instagram. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description box. And if you want to buy any of these products, I will just share down the link below. You can check it out there and purchase the product from the link given. And yeah guys, so that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the haul. And if you want me to create any video of your choice, please do mention me in the comment. I will definitely try to put it up. Please do not forget to subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe me, hit the like button if you like this video, and comment me how was my video, what were your favorite products, if you use any of this product, what is your review about that. Anything you like, you can comment me below in the comment section. So now see you again with a brand new video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Love you all. Bye.